This is Mech 330 programming for Industry 4.0. Here we can see we have a Circuit Playground Express, and we were tasked with making a digital input cause a digital output to react. And I decided to use button A here and LED D13. So when we click the button, we can see that it reacts. Slight delay in there. So we'll switch over to the code now. Thank you. So here's the code that was used for the hardware project, input and output. So this is the first code that's commented out just because the button command didn't work. So I ended up saving that and just trying the digital pin 4 and it worked. So I ended up using this code. So let's look at this code. First thing we do is we import our libraries. So we're importing the board library, the digital I/O library, and the time library. And then we make a variable called LED, and we set it to digital IO.digital in out board.D13 or digital pin 13. Then we make a variable called button, and we set it to digital IO.digital in out and board.D4 or pin 4 D4. And then we set it the LED's direction as an output. And then we set the button's direction as an input. And then we move down to the while loop. And this basically means that as long as the statement is true, then the while loop will continue looping this statement. So the statement says if button value is true, then the LED value will also be true. So that means if the button is pressed, the LED will turn on. And this else here means that if the loop is not true or false, then the LED will also be false. And then there's a delay. And that's basically how the hardware code works. So, yep, thank you.